Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the Google Lens in Google Chrome browser. If you would like to get any information from the images, then you can easily use the Google Lens feature in Google Chrome browser. This AI feature completely collect the information about the images. Let's learn how you can use the Google Lens AI feature in Google Chrome browser. Before enter this video, subscribe our channel for further technology videos. In your Google Chrome browser, I would like to get the information about this image source. So we have to just click on the website URL. It will be shows the Google Lens. You can also available this feature by click on the customize and control Google Chrome. Here you can check it out. Search with Google Lens menu. You can also click on this. So I am going to click on this Google Lens. It will be open the cursor. You have to drag it the images where you would like to search that. I am selecting the image. This will be collected the image from the Google search engine. You can also search the information about these images. I would like to get the information of source website of this image. You can search here. You can click on this source image from the Pixabay website. I have used the free images from my site. So in this way you can get the information about the images by using Google Lens feature. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to touch the like button.